the required monthly test of the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Alert System. This is the required monthly test of the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Alert System. Repeating, this is only a test. This test is coming to you from the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Operations Center. This concludes the required monthly test.
Yes! Oh, the text is red now! They changed the screen on KSBY.
That's why I called Car Shield, so I don't get...
Wait, what? Jump 13!
Very soon, the big equipment is out. Can't afford to fix it.
And how much can someone...
Oh, I was too late for channel 11. I mean, 17.